All right, are you ready? Here we go. These are called Lanz Bulldogs. 1939 Lanz one-cylinder hot bulb engines. There you go. You can read it, everybody. I guess these are German, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, these are German. From Mannheim, Germany. Here we go. These are friggin' interesting, y'all. My gosh, look at this. Yes, I'm going to show everything on these, so enjoy. These I can actually walk around and behind. If anybody... I'm sure Patch knows what these are. Patch, here we go, buddy. Anybody else German on my channel or have seen these? These are massive machines. Look at that, look at that. Jeez. Okay, look at this. We got the old top. Looks like convertible top, because yeah, it is convertible because I can see the thingies here. Look at the bench seat in here. Oh gosh, holy moly. All right, here we go. As far as I can reach in here. Here's the controls, pedals. All right, that steering wheel's a little odd to me. Oh, okay, I don't think the steering wheel's even in there. All right, that seemed a little strange. All right, what was that middle thing that had some switches on it? I know nothing about these German tractors, but this thing is awesome. Here's the back end of it. I guess that'd be the gas tank, fuel tank, petrol, as they say. Am I right? Is it called? Was it petrol? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait. My guess is you would use the steering wheel to start it. Ah. All right. So I guess that then would, okay. That's my guess. All right, here we go. Next one. Well, let's go to the front first. Okay. Hang on, everybody. Don't mind me. I'm walking to the front. No editing, which makes it even better. Okay, here we go. 1936 Lanz Bulldog. This is a 1936 one, so this one's even older. So this one's older than the other one. All right, what we got here? Aha, that'd heat it up. Jeez. Lanz Bulldog. So this one does not have a top, but the engine's similar, big time, because I see the same sides. So this one just has a, you could sit two people in this. Not as big of a bench seat as that other one. All right, when I get to the other side, we'll get to that. There's a lot of writing in German, which we're going to check that out when I get around to the other side. Jeez, this thing's awesome. All right, here we go. Similar design in front. Okay, let's read this. All right, y'all can read that. I have no idea. So there you go, everybody. There's the Lanz Bulldogs. Anybody actually drive one of these? Please tell us. We like comments, everybody. Mr. Reese. Yes, I'm Mr. Reese on the channel. So if you see a comment from Mr. Reese True, that is me. And I comment to everybody or give you a heart. All right, everybody. Thanks. See ya.